Namaste, welcome to our channel. Today we learn immunity boosting asanas which are very important. We need to boost our immune system. Then only we can fight with any problem. We need to strengthen our immunity. For this we learn few asanas today. Watch till the end of video and learn the asanas properly. Before that, if you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. You will get the updates. First asana for immunity boosting is Adho Mukha Svanasana. We can say it is a very famous yogic posture called downward dog pose. I'll show you now how to perform this asana. Sit in Vajrasana and place your hands on the floor firmly. All the fingers properly placed firmly and slowly raise up and go to the pose. First, we should raise our heels and go down a little. Go down, stretch more, push your hips to the up, go down, then place your heels on the floor again. One more time. Raise your hips, raise your heels and go down, head down, try to place your head down. There will be good blood circulation to the head region in this asana. We need to stay in this asana for a long time. That is more important. Place your heels on the floor and stay. Adho Mukha Svanasana. You can move your knees up and down also for a bit. And again go to the pose, stay for a longer time. Try to place your heels on the floor, head down. Your thymus gland will be activated, your immunity will be strengthened by practicing this asana. If you are not able to hold the position, you can use the block to hold the pose. You can place one block either like this or like this. You can hold it and you can rest your head on the brick and stay for a longer time. And slowly come out of the pose. Relax. This is called Adho Mukha Svanasana. This can be practiced by anyone except who are having vertigo problem and high BP. So our next immunity boosting asana is Bhujangasana, which can be practiced by anyone, very easy and simple, and those who are having serious hernia problem can avoid this, others can practice. Slowly lie down, go to the prone stage, place your hands beside your chest region and your hand should not be like this, it should be together. And you have to open your chest region. Chin on the floor, both the feet together, toes pointing out. Slowly inhale up. Look up. Your chest should be broader. Stay for 10 count. Then relax. We should do 3 sets to this asana. Every set 10 count, 10 breathings we have to stay. And our thoracic region will be activated. all respiratory system will be strengthened. And Mooladhara chakra is activated. Root chakra. Exhale down. One last round. Exhale down. Relax. Slowly stretch your hands to front. Inhale and up. Your body weight should be on your stomach. Vimanasana, Pushpakasana. Here also you can boost up your immune system. Stay for 10 count. Exhale and down. Again, second round, hold for 10 seconds. Inhale and up. Relax. Every time you need to hold it for 10, 10, 10, or if you are comfortable, you can stay for a longer time. One last round of Pushpakasana. Exhale and down. Your abdomen region will be activated a lot. Relax. Forehead on the floor. Adho Mukha Supta Tadasana. Relax for some time. Next asana, Urdhva Dhanurasana. Hold your ankles with both your hands. Inhale. Slowly raise your head up, chest up, knees up, thighs up. Hold the position. You can stay 30 seconds to 1 minute in this asana. Exhale and down. Slowly relieve your ankles. Relax in Makarasana. Heels inside, toes outside. Good relaxation to the body in this asana. Then slowly join your legs, come up, relax. Next immunity boosting asana is Supta Baddha Konasana, reclined bound angle pose. We'll use these blocks for this pose. Keep these blocks like this and one pillow on that. Slowly, pillow should be at our sacrum region. Fold your knees, join your feet together. Slowly, lie down on your back. Keep your hands on your thighs. Your chest is open now. There will be good blood circulation to the lungs. Good flow of oxygen. Very relaxing and soothing asana. You can practice this asana anytime. Relax. Your thymus gland will be activated, your chest region is activated totally. Total pelvic region also activates by practicing this. You can close your eyes and stay for longer time. Then slowly come out of the pose. Relax. In addition to this asanas, for developing our immune system, we should practice daily warm-ups and Surya Namaskaras also. Then only we can boost up our immune system and stay healthy and fit. And we are ready to face any type of challenges in the life. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and share it to others. Thank you.